Good morning, holiday cheer here, and as you can see we have a Cutie Mark crew, wave 3. I have a great plan. We are at a special location known as IKEA. We are going to go inside IKEA and open this. I have a foolproof double trash bag solution to this problem. So let's go into IKEA and see if we can open this. I've never been in IKEA before, so this is going to be exciting. So I'm in an IKEA bathroom set. This is IKEA. We're going to do it right here. We've got this little bag. Put the thing in it. We've got the bag. We've got another bag. Put it inside the bag. We've got the toy. We're going to open it. Right now, I've got it pre-opened. See, we're just nice and easy. All the confetti is contained. Let's see who we got in our little bag. Let's do this real quick. So, that one flying out of there. It is a little crown, and it is this royal guard from me. He's so cool. He's a royal guard. He's probably the most boring pony you could have gotten. But you know what? We did it. This, we also have to take it because that's pretty important. So it says he is royal guard. He guards the castle for the big ceremony. Oh, that's cool. We can get a royal guard. He's the IKEA royal guard. I'm Holiday Cheer, and we'll see you in the next exciting unboxing that won't take place in a place quite as cool as IKEA.